Hello and welcome. Today we are going to make Icelandic rune bread. It's very easy, and for that we need 320 grams of rye flour, 180 grams flour, 1 tablespoon baking soda, 25 grams yeast, 1 tablespoon salt, 50 grams of sugar, 4.25 deciliters of water. Now that you have all the ingredients, you have to mix it all together in a bowl. When you have mixed it all good together, you have to put it aside for an hour. After an hour, make it ready for the oven. When you put it in the oven, make sure to have a plate of water with it. Set it to 190 degrees Celsius for 45 minutes. And there you have it, Icelandic rye bread, easy as simple. Thank you for watching.